Hello everyone and welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully set up the Cloud desktop on our system and installed Node.js along with npm. In this video, we will move on to setting up the MCP server for the Karate framework. The first step is to visit the GitHub repository for the MCP server and clone it on our local machine. This repository also provides the necessary command to start the Karate MCP server locally. Once the cloning is complete, we will navigate to the root directory of the project and execute the provided command to launch the MCP server. When you execute the command for the first time, you might encounter some errors. Don't worry, these issues can be easily fixed by opening the corresponding file and adjusting a few settings as needed. Once we have made the changes, simply rerun the command to start the server again. After this, our MCP server should be up and running smoothly. Once the MCP server is up and running, the next step is to integrate Cloud Desktop with this MCP server. To do this, we simply need to update the configuration JSON file of Cloud Desktop and specify the location of the MCP server. This process is clearly outlined in the Karate MCP server documentation. Here is the configuration snippet that needs to be added to the Cloud configuration JSON file. After making the changes in the Cloud Desktop configuration file, we need to restart the Cloud Desktop for the update to take effect. To verify that the integration was successful, open the setting in the Cloud Desktop. Navigate to the Developer section and look for the list of local MCP servers. If everything is configured correctly, the Karate MCP server should appear in the list under the local MCP servers. You can also verify the integration by starting a new chat in the Cloud Desktop. Click on the plus icon. Under the Connector section, you should see the Karate MCP server listed. This confirms that the MCP server has been successfully connected and is ready to use. So in this manner, you can set up the Karate MCP server on your local system and integrate with the Cloud Desktop. That's all for this video, and thanks for watching.